Good morning everybody. In this video I am going to teach preparation of haloalkane. How will you prepare haloalkane? In our syllabus they are given four methods to us. First one is preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. Second one, preparation of haloalkane from hydrocarbon by using free radical reaction. Third one, preparation of haloalkane from alkene by using Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. Fourth one is halogen exchange method. In this halogen exchange method, I will explain Schwartz reaction and Finkelstein reaction. First of all, I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. By using Lucas reagent test, I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent test. By using Lucas reagent test. Lucas reagent. Mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride is called as Lucas reagent. Mixture of HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is called as Lucas reagent. When tertiary alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, it gives haloalkane immediately. When secondary alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to form turbidity, to form product. Primary alcohol does not involve in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent at room temperature. At high temperature only, with the action of heat only, primary alcohols are involved in Lucas reagent. It produces haloalkane. I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Okay, what's the formula? What do you mean by Lucas reagent? Mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride. Now I am going to teach this reaction. Lucas reagent test. I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. From alcohol by using Lucas reagent. First, tertiary alcohol. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. This is tertiary alcohol. This is alpha. This is functional group. This carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. Why it is called as alpha carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is directly attached to the hydroxyl group. So this carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. In this alpha carbon atom, 3 alkyl groups present. So this is called as tertiary alcohol. This tertiary alcohol react with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means what? Mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride. HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. Okay. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. What's the charge of OH? Minus. Gain of electrons means it's a charge minus. Loss of electron means it's a charge plus. Here hydroxyl group gain of electron. So its charge is negative charge. Carbon loss of electron. So its charge positive charge. Compare hydrogen and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Cl charge minus due to gain of electron. Hydrogen charge positive due to loss of electron. Next, one plus, one minus means bond formation. Here what's the charge of OH? Minus. H plus. So bond formation. So this OH minus is combined with H plus. What will happen? One mole of water is removed. What's the charge of this carbon atom? C plus Cl minus. So bond formation between carbon and chlorine. You can get product. C plus alpha carbon atom charge plus chlorine charge minus. Already I told you 1 plus 1 minus means bond formation. This is what haloalkane. preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent test. Okay, so here this is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol reactivity is greater than secondary alcohol. Immediately, so tertiary alcohols are easily involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent. So immediately it forms turbidity. Immediately it forms turbidity. I mean immediately it forms a product. Next, I am going to take secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol with the Lucas reagent. Here, first of all, I am going to take tertiary alcohol. Then I am going to add Lucas reagent. What will happen? Immediately it involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent. So it forms a turbidity. Okay. Next, I am going to take secondary alcohol. I am going to prepare haloalkane from secondary alcohol. CH3, C, CH3, H, OH. This is secondary alcohol. This carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom because this carbon atom is directly attached to the functional group. So this carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. In this alpha carbon atom, two alkyl groups present. Two alkyl groups are directly attached to the alpha carbon atom. So this is called as secondary alcohol. Okay. It reacts with Lucas reagent, mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electrons. So here bond break. Gain of electron means negative charge. OH minus due to gain of electron. What's the charge of carbon? Plus due to loss of electron. Next, compare hydrogen and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. What's the charge of Cl? Minus due to gain of electron. H plus due to loss of electron. Already you know very well, 1 plus 1 minus means bond formation. So here OH minus H plus, so bond formation. 1 mole of water is removed. Next, this alpha carbon atom charge is plus, chlorine charge minus. So bond formation in between carbon and chlorine. Secondary alcohol react with Lucas reagent, it produces haloalkane. Tertiary alcohol immediately involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent, so it forms turbidity. But secondary alcohol, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to form product, to form turbidity. Secondary alcohol reactivity is lesser than tertiary alcohol. It takes this secondary alcohol takes 5 to 10 minutes to form turbidity. Okay, this is secondary alcohol with the Lucas reagent. It gives product. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to form product. Next, I am going to take primary alcohol. Primary alcohol react with Lucas reagent. Already I told you primary alcohol reactivity is very less with the Lucas reagent. So at room temperature, these primary alcohols are not involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent. With the action of it only, at high temperature only, primary alcohols are involved in Lucas reagent, it forms turbidity. I mean it forms a haloalkane. At room temperature, primary alcohols are not involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent, so it does not form product. Okay, now I am going to prepare haloalkane from primary alcohol. From primary alcohol, CH3, CH, this is functional group. This carbon atom is called as alpha carbon atom. In this alpha carbon atom, only one alkyl group present. Only one alkyl group is attached to the alpha carbon atom. So this is called as primary alcohol. I am going to prepare haloalkane from primary alcohol by using Lucas reagent. You know very well Lucas reagent, mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride. This mixture is called as Lucas reagent. Actually, at room temperature, this primary alcohol is not involved in chemical reaction with Lucas reagent. With the action of heat only, this primary alcohol is involved in chemical reaction with Lucas reagent. Okay, it produce a product. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group electronegativity is high, so bond break. C plus OH minus. Cl minus due to gain of electron. This OH minus is combined with H plus, 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of carbon? Plus Cl minus bond formation. CH3, CH, HCl. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. Primary alcohol. We can able to prepare haloalkane from primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Tertiary alcohols are involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent. Immediately it forms turbidity. Secondary alcohol takes 5 to 10 minutes to form turbidity. I mean to form product. Primary alcohol is not involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent at room temperature. With the action of heat only, this primary alcohol is involved in chemical reaction with the Lucas reagent. It forms product. Okay, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent test. Now I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol, same reactant from alcohol by using thionyl chloride. From alcohol, reagent is thionyl chloride. Last one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Now I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol. Reagent is thionyl chloride by using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride, its symbol, its formula is SOCl2. I am going to take one alcohol, for example, ethanol. CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, react with thionyl chloride, SOCl2. How will you write SOCl2? S, double bond O, Cl, Cl. This is symbol. This is symbol of. This is structure of thionyl chloride. Okay. Okay, compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electron. So bond break in between carbon and hydroxyl group. OH minus due to gain of electron. Carbon charge plus due to loss of electron. Compare sulfur and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Cl minus, S plus. Here carbon charge plus, chlorine charge minus. So bond formation in between carbon and chlorine. You can get CH3, CH2, C plus, Cl minus bond formation. Haloalkane. Next here, what's the charge of OH? OH, oxygen charge is minus. Am I right? OH we can write. OH oxygen charge is minus. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Am I right? Already oxygen charge minus. Again gain of electron. So again minus. So minus becomes 2 minus. Are you clear? Compare carbon and oxygen. Oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here bond break O minus. O minus bond H. OH we can write O minus bond H. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Oxygen charge already minus. Now gain of electron again minus. So O minus becomes O2 minus. Okay. Here what's the charge of H? Plus. Next compare sulfur and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. Already one time loss of electron plus. Here loss of electron. Now plus. So plus becomes 2 plus. Are you clear? Sulfur chlorine. Loss of electron 1 plus. Here sulfur chlorine. Loss of electron 1 plus. So how many times 2 plus? Sulfur 2 plus. Here 1 plus. Here 1 plus. Sulfur charge 2 plus. Oxygen charge 2 minus. 1 plus 1 minus means single bond formation. 2 plus 2 minus means double bond formation. Sulfur 2 plus. Oxygen 2 minus. So what's the compound? Yes. Already double bond O. double bond O. S2 plus, oxygen 2 minus. Or we can write sulfur dioxide. Am I right? Sulfur dioxide. Here chlorine charge minus H plus bond formation. You can get hydrogen chloride. Okay. Ethanol react with thionyl chloride. It gives haloalkane. Its byproduct sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. Mostly, if you want to prepare haloalkane means haloalkane from alcohol means you have to choose thionyl chloride only. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using thionyl chloride. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using PCl3. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus pentachloride. So many reagents are there. Mostly, if you want to prepare haloalkane from alcohol means you have to give first preference this method. Thionyl chloride only you have to use. What's the reason? Its byproducts are gaseous state. Its byproduct one is sulfur dioxide, another one is hydrogen chloride. Its byproducts are gaseous state. So both the gaseous states are evaporated. You need not do purification. Are you clear? Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent test. Second one by using thionyl chloride. Third one by using phosphorus trichloride. Fourth one by using phosphorus pentachloride. Fifth one by using mixture of sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. We can use so many reagents. But we have to give first preference to thionyl chloride. What's the reason? When you add thionyl chloride, it gives haloalkane, it gives byproducts, sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. These byproducts are gaseous state, so both gaseous states are evaporated, so you need not do purification. But in other method, you have to do purification because byproduct will be there. You have to separate the byproduct. So you have to do purification. But in this method, you need not do purification because byproducts are gaseous state. Okay. Next, I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus trichloride. First one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Second one by using thionyl chloride. Now preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus trichloride. Phosphorus trihalide PCl3. For example, from alcohol, I am going to take ethanol CH3. Whenever you use phosphorus trichloride, you have to take 3 moles of ethanol. Phosphorus trichloride we can write like this PCl3. 3 moles of ethanol. How will you write? CH3 3 moles. CH2 1 mole. CH3 CH2 OH another 1 mole. Third mole 3 moles. 3 moles of ethanol react with phosphorus trichloride. This bond present in between carbon and oxygen we can write like this CH2. Actually here this bond present in between carbon and oxygen. Okay, compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. OH minus due to gain of electron. C plus. Here OH minus, C plus, C plus. Compare phosphorus and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. Chlorine takes one pair of electron. Cl minus, C plus bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, C plus, Cl minus 1 mole of chloroethane. Next, compare phosphorus and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. Okay, Cl minus this C plus bond formation. Next, compare phosphorus and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Cl minus C plus. Okay, so you can get here chlorine, chlorine, chlorine. So totally 3 moles of chloroethane. OH minus, OH minus, OH minus. How many times loss of electron? Loss of electron means positive charge. Here 1 time loss of electron, 1 positive charge. Here 1 time, here 1 time. So what's the charge of P? 3 plus because 3 times the loss of electron. So 3 plus means you can add 3 minus ion. I am going to add 3 OH minus ion. Are you clear? P plus means you can add 1 plus means you can add 1 OH minus ion. But here P 3 plus. How many OH minus ion you can add? 3 OH minus. Okay. So P Instead of chlorine, one OH, another one OH. So you can write POH thrice. Or we can write how many hydrogen present? H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Okay. Preparation of alloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus trichloride. Take 3 moles of alcohol, react with the phosphorus trichloride. It gives chloroethane. Its byproduct is orthophosphorus acid. Okay. Any doubt? 3 moles. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group electronegativity is greater than carbon. C plus Cl minus. Here C plus Cl minus. C plus Cl minus. So you can get 3 moles of alloalkane. How many OH minus are there? 3 OH minus. 3 times loss of electron. So phosphorus charge is 3 plus. So you can add 3 OH minus. POH thrice. We can write H3PO3. Okay. Now I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus pentachloride. By using phosphorus pentachloride. Alcohol. For example, I am going to take ethanol. CH3, CH2OH, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5. I am going to write like this, PCl3. Right, phosphorus pentachloride. 1 mole of alcohol is reacted with 1 mole of phosphorus pentachloride. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus pentachloride. Here this bond present in between carbon and oxygen. Compare carbon and oxygen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes 1 pair of electron. Here bond break. What's the charge of C plus? Compare phosphorus and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. So chlorine takes 1 pair of electron. Here also bond break. Cl minus due to gain of electron. Phosphorus plus due to loss of electron. Am I right? C plus Cl minus. Plus and minus means bond formation. C plus Cl minus. Bond formation in between carbon and chlorine. You can get CH3, CH2, Cl, chloroethane. Okay. Remaining OH. What's the charge of oxygen? Minus. Am I right? Next, compare O minus H. This OH we can write like this. O bond H bond. Oxygen charge is minus. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes 1 pair of electron. Here bond break. Already oxygen charge minus. Again gain of electron. Again minus. So O minus becomes O2 minus. What's the charge of hydrogen? H plus. Compare phosphorus and chlorine. Which one is more electronegative? Chlorine. Cl minus phosphorus plus. Already 1 time loss of electron. Here 1 time loss of electron plus. Here also 1 time loss of electron plus. So what's the charge of phosphorus? Phosphorus 2 plus. This Cl minus is combined with H plus. You can get HCl. Are you clear? Here 1 time loss of electron. Here 1 time loss of electron. What's the charge of phosphorus? 2 plus. Here oxygen charge is 2 minus because 2 times gain of electron. 1 plus 1 minus means single bond formation. 2 plus 2 minus means double bond formation. In between phosphorus and oxygen, double bond. P double bond O, Cl, Cl, Cl. Phosphorus oxychloride. We can write POCl3. Phosphorus oxychloride or phosphoride chloride. Ethanol react with phosphorus pentachloride. You can get haloalkane, chloroethane. Its byproduct is phosphorus oxychloride and hydrogen chloride. First one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Second one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using thionyl chloride. Third one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus trichloride. Fourth one, preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using phosphorus pentachloride. Now I am going to prepare haloalkane from alcohol by using mixture of sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol by using mixture of sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. Haloalkane from alcohol. CH3, CH2OH from alcohol by using mixture of sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid we can write like this. S double bond O, OH, OH. Okay. Compare this bond present in between carbon and hydroxyl group. The sigma bond present in between carbon and hydroxyl group. Compare carbon and hydroxyl group. Which one is more electronegative? Hydroxyl group. So hydroxyl group takes one pair of electron, bond break. What's the charge of C? Plus due to loss of electron. What's the charge of OH? Minus due to gain of electron. Next, compare sodium and bromine. Which one is more electronegative? Bromine. Br minus. Here also bond break. Okay. Br minus due to gain of electron. Na plus. Okay. Here C plus Br minus bond formation. You can get CH3, CH2, Br. Bromo ethane. Okay. Next. This is acid. Sulfuric acid we can draw like this. Acid means what? It gives H plus ion. So bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. Oxygen takes one pair of electron because oxygen electronegativity is greater than hydrogen. Okay. Sulfuric acid. H plus. This OH minus. This is sulfuric acid. Acid means what? It gives H plus ion. So bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electrons. So bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. H plus this OH minus 1 mole of water. What's the charge of O? Minus. Na plus. We can get NaO S double bond O OH. Na plus O minus, or we can write NaH, Na how many hydrogen? H, S, 4 oxygen present, NaH, SO4 byproduct. Preparation of haloalkane from alcohol. First of all, we have to take alcohol, then we have to add mixture of sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. It gives bromoethane. Its byproduct is water and sodium hydrogen sulfate. So preparation of haloalkane from alcohol is over. In next video, remaining topics I will teach to you. Okay. Thank you everybody.